Dumbarton Castle rises from a volcanic rock where the River Clyde meets the River Leven. For over 1,500 years, it has stood as a silent witness to Scotland's most powerful legends and blood-soaked history. Long before Scotland was a nation, this was Alt Clut, the capital of the ancient kingdom of Strathclyde. From this fortress, warrior kings ruled the land. In the year 870, two Viking warlords Olaf and Ivar the Boneless sailed up the river and laid siege to the rock. For 4 brutal months, they tried to break the stronghold. When they finally succeeded, they captured and enslaved hundreds, carrying them away to Ireland. The fall of Alt Clut was the end of an era, but only the beginning of Dumbarton's story. Centuries later, the castle became a royal stronghold. It sheltered prisoners, stored gunpowder, and guarded secrets. Here, in 1548, a young Mary, Queen of Scots, was hidden from her enemies. From this very rock, she was smuggled away to France, just a child. On a journey that would one day lead her to the Scottish throne, and ultimately, to execution. But not all of Dumbarton's stories are written in history books. Legends say a hidden tunnel lies beneath the rock, an escape route for kings, or a secret path for smugglers. No one has ever found it. Some believe it's still down there, bricked up and lost to time. Others tell of ghosts, Viking spirits cursed to wander the battlements, forever trapped for desecrating sacred ground. And there's one final tale, that a warrior king sleeps inside the rock, waiting to rise again when Scotland is in her darkest hour. This isn't just a castle. It's a fortress of myth, memory, and mystery. The walls may be worn by time, but the stories, they've only grown stronger. Dumbarton Castle, where Scotland's past still speaks. And what of the rock itself? Geologists say Dumbarton Rock is over 300 million years old, a remnant of violent volcanic eruptions. Its jagged twin peaks, once sacred to early Britons, give it the appearance of a giant throne. Standing on its summit, you can see for miles in every direction a natural watchtower for all of western Scotland. It has seen invaders, rebels, kings, exiles, and empire. It has served as a fortress, a prison, a royal shelter, a powder magazine. But through every century, it has remained what it always was, a sentinel. Watching. Remembering. So when you stand before Dumbarton Castle, remember, you are not just facing a ruin. You're standing at the crossroads of legend and time.